Hey guys, I'm showing you this power bank 30,000 milliampere 100 watt USB-C PD portable laptop charger. So this is a fast charging 2 ports 60 watt recharge external battery pack for MacBook Pro, Dell, iPad, Acer, iPhone 15 or whatsoever. So you can see comes in a really nice box, and here is the main battery pack here. This is a 30,000 milliampere with 2 ports. So one is USB, one is USB-C, and this is the case, and this is the USB-C cable. This is a 100 watt USB-C cable that comes with it. So this is ultra fast charging. So this USB-C will go in here. Fitting is good, no issues, and this is a thick cable. So you can also use this for the charging, and this is the case that comes with it. It's very nice soft case that you can carry this battery pack along with this cable. So your cable and battery pack both can come, and you can just take it with you. So this a nice thing, and the set that comes also good as a gift to someone. And I will just put in a Acer laptop and just to show. So see, like this, I just start charging and it automatically starts charging. So battery itself is 23% in the battery pack, and you can see the red sign here that it start charging. So this one is the 65 watt or 45 watt charger laptop that's charging with this. So you can see like it's charging really nice. And then I'm just showing you the use the USB-C for charging the battery pack itself. You can see that one is blinking. That means that the battery pack start charging. So this will take time. So overall, this is a really nice battery pack to charge your mobile, laptop, device or anything.